Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do an it inspired clown look, and I wanted it to be more of a glam killer clown. Just wanted something that I could not only integrate blacks but neons and just very bold dramatic lashes, and this is what I came up with. I am extremely happy with this makeup look, and I really hope that you guys like it too. I really am really obsessed with the way that the glitter on my eye shift its color. I know that my lashes kind of overpower the situation, but I just felt like bold, dramatic lashes would be the way to go. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this, and if you guys would like to see more Halloween tutorials and more fantasy makeup looks even when Halloween is over, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will make sure that I keep filming these for you guys. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Now really quickly, I want to mention I don't really show you guys the colors in the tutorial, just because I was really concentrated on what I was doing. But I have to say, if I were to recommend some eyeshadow palettes, I would definitely say go for like one of the Morphe colorful palettes. I know they have the James Charles palette, which has a lot of colorful eyeshadows. Also, the Beauty Creations Alice palette is amazing, which is what I'm wearing today. So shout out to Beauty Creations. And also, what other ones do I feel like? I feel like there are many brands out there. Juvia's Place is an amazing brand for eyeshadows, very high quality but affordable. I definitely recommend those if you want colorful eyeshadow palettes to create bold eyeshadow looks. So Morphe, Beauty Creations, and Juvia's Place, I would definitely say go for those. Yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you guys would like to see how I got this glam killer clown, please keep watching and we will get right into the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do an it inspired clown look. I wanted it to be more of a glam killer clown, but I didn't want it to look too scary. I just wanted something that I could not only integrate blacks but neons and just very bold dramatic lashes, and this is what I came up with. I am extremely happy with this makeup look, and I really hope that you guys like it too. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this, and if you guys would like to see more Halloween tutorials and more fantasy makeup looks even when Halloween is over, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will make sure that I keep filming these for you guys. So if you guys would like to see how I got this glam killer clown, please keep watching and we will get right into the video. Alright, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is add a base to the eyelids, and I like using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So let's begin. As you know, I always use a concealer brush like this, very dense. And I just do pressing motions, tapping pretty much, until it looks completely smooth and even out. So I'm going to start off with a very bright pink color. So I'm going to begin with that pink shade and just press it on. Packing motions. As you can see, it makes everything extremely pigmented. I'm going to keep applying the pink shade until I get the intensity that I want. Now I'm going to take this yellow orange shade. I'm going to apply it to this area right here. And I'm using a larger pencil brush. And now a little bit above the orange, just to blend it in, I'm going to add some yellow because I feel like that orange isn't vibrant enough. So just going to see if that makes it a little bit more vibrant. So now I'm going to take a red and I'm going to first begin on the outer corner of the eye and really just intensify it there. Bring it up into the crease, but the lower part of the crease, I don't want it to go up too high and overpower the pink. So now I can wing it out like I did with the pink. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to add the same colors that I did up here. Now I'm going to try to add like a deeper burgundy shade just because I feel like it needs a little bit of darkness. In the crease, halfway in, I'm going to mix that burgundy shade and add a little bit of black. I'm going to begin on the outer portion of the eye. On the outer corner. I'm going to bring it a little bit downwards into the bottom lash line just because we're going to add it there anyways as well. And now we can begin to really intensify this. I want to keep it as low as possible. Blend that in. Now I am going to cut the crease. Alright, so now that I cut my crease, I'm going to add a base color to the lid just because the duochrome pigment that I'm going to be using, I don't know if it's going to need a base. I've never used this duochrome pigment before. So yeah, I'm just going to add a glittery type of shade. I'm going to be using this duochrome pigment that I recently bought. Now I don't know what brand this even is. I bought it in a beauty store in Dad's hometown and well in the city where he's from, and I just thought it was so pretty because I mean, I don't know, yeah, you can see it right there, how it changes color. To see if I can use what's on the cap, but wow. Now let's try the finger. And I think it shows up a lot more. Okay, so as you can see, it's like larger, like glitter particles. And it does have that dual chrome look to it, but it is really hard to apply. Alright, so that's pretty much all I could get out of it. So now we're moving on to the other eye. Alright, so for this eye, I'm actually going to do a deep blue, green, and purple. So I'm going to switch it up on this eye. So now I'm going in with a bright green. Now I'm going in with a purple just to intensify this outer part. So I'm adding the deeper teal. Kind of looks very blue on camera, but it's like a really deep teal color. And I'm adding it to the bottom lash line. So since I feel like I'm not loving the way that it looks, the glitter chunks that I applied, I'm applying several different ones. These Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliners. I think they're just going to give it that extra glitterness that I want. Right, so now that I have this eye done, I'm going to cut the crease again and then do the same steps I did on this side, which was apply a base color and then some glitter eyeliner to make the particles adhere better, and then that chunky glitter on top. So I'm going to do that to save myself some time, and I will be back. So I'm going to begin with this eyeliner by NYX, and I'm pretty much just going to base it off of the other one. And now I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so now I'm going to do the bottom. And now to the top of that, I'm going to add some black eyeshadow. I'm going to begin with this bottom portion, the bottom lash line. And now we're going to fill this in. Alright, so now that that's all set, I'm going to continue with the lips. Alright, so I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Flash palette and I'm going to use the bright pink for my lips. those like glitter large particles onto the center of the lips. And honestly, if you are into Halloween makeup or you want to get started, I highly recommend these. These are amazing. I've used Makeup Forever flash palettes for years and I love them. Alright, so now I'm adding some rhinestones. I don't know about this, but this is obviously one of those glam scary clowns. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye for the other side and I will be back. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this and would like me to do more Halloween inspired tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!